Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the .NET Study Room. In last video, we saw how to write and use static and non-static class. When an instance of a class is created, a function member of that class is automatically called by the CLR. And that member is constructor. Let's see the use cases of class constructors in this video. I will continue the demonstration with the same code we used in the last video. We had written two classes, static car and car. So, first of all, a constructor for a static class. A static class can have only one, parameterless constructor. It must be defined with the keyword static, followed by the class name. So, static car, parenthesis. Overloading of the class constructor would not be possible in case of the static class. Because a parameter is not allowed in the constructor of a static class. You can see the error presented by the IntelliSense in the Visual Studio when you try to write a parametered constructor with static keyword. We use the constructor, generally for initializing the fields of the class, and define some initial behavior of the class. So, we can, for example, initialize the color and speed of the static class, and call the drive method, from the constructor of the class. Let's turn to the non-static class, car. The non-static class can have parameterless as well as parametered constructors. Let's define a parameterless constructor, and initialize the member's speed and color in the constructor. Now, let's create an instance of the class car. Say, car1 equal to new car. When this statement is executed, the constructor which we defined is called by the CLR automatically, and the object car1 will have the speed as 100 and color as red already. We can write another overload of the constructor, along with the parameterless constructor. Let's write another constructor, public car, in parenthesis, int underscore speed, comma, string underscore color. Then, in the body of the constructor, we can assign the values passed in the parameter to the field members speed and color. Speed equal to underscore speed, and color equal to underscore color. Let's create another instance of the class car. Car2 equal to new car, in parenthesis, 80, blue. In this case, the parametered constructor, whose signature matches with the type of passed parameters, is called by the CLR on creating the instance car2. In this way, we can have any number of constructors in a non-static class, each with unique signature. No two or more constructors can have the same parameter types list. Note that, in either a static class or a non-static class, when no constructor is defined in the code, there exists an implicit constructor. This implicit constructor is called as the default constructor. The default constructor is always parameterless, and it has empty body. The default constructor can also be defined explicitly, which has no effect on execution of the code. So, that's all for this video guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the .NET Study Room if you have not already. And do not forget to like and share the video. This will really help the channel grow. Thank you again.